Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today I am going to start new video series about Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, I am going to show you switch and end devices connection. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. First, open your Cisco Packet Tracer. In bottom you can see routers, switches, end devices, hubs and many more options. Today in this video I am going to show you how to connect two PCs to a switch. First click on switches. Then click on 2960 switch. You can drag and drop it easily. Now you can see my switch added. Then I am click on end devices. I am select a PC as my end device. I am drag and drop two personal computers. If you close your cursor to PC, you can see port and you can see all ports of the switch. Now I am going to connect devices each other. Then click on connections. I am selecting copper straight through cable. Then click on PC. Then click on fast Ethernet 0. Then click on switch. Then select any fast Ethernet port. I am click on first one. Again select the copper straight through cable. Then click on PC. Then select fast Ethernet 0. Then click on switch and select a port. Now you can see my cables are connected successfully. Now you can see port status are up. Now I am going to add IP addresses to two PCs. Before that, I am select on the NOT. Then I am typing my IP address. Then I am click on PC1, then select on desktop, then click on IP configuration, then make sure to click on static, then type your IP address here. If you click on enter, it's automatically enter your subnet mask. Now you can see my IP address added. Then click on PC2. Click on desktop. Then click on IP configuration. Then click on static. Then type your IP address. Now all configurations are done. If you want to rename your PC's name, double click on the name, then enter a name that you want to add. Now let's send a packet PC1 to PC2 to check connectivity. Packet sent. Now you can see status successful, source PC 1 and destination PC 2. I am sending another packet to PC 2 to PC 1. Now you can see it's successful. Now I am pinging source PC to destination PC. Type here ping, then type your destination PC IP address. Now you can see 4 packet sends and receive 4 packet and no losses. Now I am ping PC2 to PC1. Now you can see it's pinged successfully. Now I am changing my IP address to a different range. I am type here 11. Then I am going to PC, then change my IP address as 11. Now let's send a packet again. Now you can see it's failed. If you are using different range of IP addresses, you can't connect each other devices. I'm changing again my IP address to previous one. Let's send a packet again. Now you can see it's successful. I hope this video is very useful you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.